In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to train Instinct Blocks Fruits First C. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly farm and train Instinct levels in Blocks Fruits on the First C. So, I'm not going to go into too much detail on how to obtain Instinct. I assume that you have already bought it from the Instinct teacher. So in this video, I'm going to be focusing on acquiring XP. For you to train the Instinct, you will have to dodge. So each dodge gives 1 XP. As you can see, these are going to be the levels. So you can go all the way up to level 7 with a maximum of 5,000 XP, which gives you 8 charges. So, while grinding Instinct XP, it is recommended to farm the Shandas while server hopping. This is going to allow you to get the greatest number of dodges per server hop, and you can spawn right next to their area. So, all that you have to do is go over to the Upper Skylands and locate the Shandas, which are level 475 enemies, and you will be able to train your Instinct with them. They are also close to the Instinct teacher, allowing you to check the level whenever needed. If you want to AFK grind for Instinct EXP, it is recommended to farm earlier enemies, such as monkeys due to the low damage output, and if you are using an elemental type fruit, you will have to choose any enemy with aura or a boss. It is recommended to use an accessory that gives more charges because these are going to count for the EXP level up as well. So to keep it simple, if you just want the most straightforward farm possible and you are going to be paying attention constantly and server hopping, just go farm the Shandas and you will be able to spawn right next to their area. If you want to AFK grind, then the next best option are going to be the monkeys, and you will be able to grind these to level up as much as you want. I hope I was able to help you on how to train Instinct Blocks Fruits First C. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.